Good morning. Today is 16th of April. I made a trade yesterday. Well, two trades actually. I ended up breaking that rule, but I don't know whether to consider it a bad thing considering that I did end up in profit, even though not a lot of profit, but profit indeed. Today I'm gonna go first and show you guys my pre-market analysis through the Discord group that me and my cousin have been running for a little bit. Um, we're just there, a group of us like-minded people trying to figure this stuff out. This is what I had sent to them at 5:49 in the morning. Essentially what I had mentioned was that yesterday's candle closed in the as a bearish candle. So like even though we are in the uptrend, we could possibly see some shorting opportunities today. Um, Seeing as the candle came in with the top and then it closed back in that range. At that time, it was trading around that previous day close. Uh, Pretty much, I'm looking at this here range, supply demand area. So whichever one gets hit first will pretty much kind of start determining where I'm trying to go. As I said, it was trading around that previous day close area right there. And what I had thought it would be, what I would say that considering what price was and what it was doing, I was expecting it to come in and come down under previous day close and either retest it and come back down, see where it would be at 9:30, or it would come back up into the supply area. This is what I was hoping would happen. And um, pretty much after that, come down into our demand zone. A third scenario here would be that it would come down here and then it would pretty much just shoot up. So on a higher time frame, probably the like at 10 o'clock or so, when this here current 4 hour candle closes, depending on where it is, we may be looking either, I guess, to buy or sell, depending on whether or not it ends above this here black line. Because if you look here on the chart, this black line is an area where price just refused to close above for the long term. So if it closes back up, I'm thinking that perhaps it would come up here and then retest and show us some sort of uh like after the retest, show us some sort of reaction to the top side, then we may be able to look at this area over here. As we did see, the price did come and hit the path I wanted it to. A little bit more um complex than what I wanted, but nevertheless, that's what it did. Came down here, now it's back up here, trying to see where we are standing. So at closer to 9:30, I'll come back in and see where we're at, and we'll go from there. I guess I forgot to mention this. I actually didn't put this on the Discord. Something else that I like to look at is here these inside bars. What I have come to notice is that when it comes to these kind of bars, usually you want to see which side it takes out first. If it takes on the downside, usually um, it would end up taking the other side afterwards. So when it came out and took this side first, I figured we'd go up. So right now we're pretty much waiting to see what's going to happen here on this here supply area. And this here inside bar, I guess for lack of a better term, liquidity sweep with this, which is like a pretty famous or pretty popular term. It's pretty prevalent. Like you see, it happened here yesterday, and then it happened here. Let's see, where else has it happened? Here as well, came to the top, came to the bottom, and then it came back up. So that's kind of like something like what happened here is what I'm hoping would happen up here right now, where it came down, it took the bottom of this, and actually back up. However, seeing as it came down here and it already traded through the opening of the day, it may come back down at 9:30. It may not, but I know that this is going to be an area that we either already traded through or just are already did trade and are abandoning completely. Yeah, I just figured out because I didn't tell y'all what this was earlier. All right, welcome to 9:30. Well, that just happened. Okay, I guess I'll go to my trade. Oh boy, let's see let's see what's gonna happen here. I don't know yet. See, here's what I'm seeing right now. We have the 1 hour trying to become bearish. That massive rejection there was definitely one of the reasons why I decided to wait post 9:30 because that's the last thing I wanted to happen. But we are definitely getting where we're trying to be at. So let's see. We're looking at the 1 hour, it's bearish. 30 minutes is fighting for its life. All of these were bearish. Listen, a minute ago, this is insane. Okay, well, this is, as I said, the reason why I did not want to take this trade before 9:30. Awesome. But this is good because it's exactly what we want. This is what we want to see. We want to see this kind of chaos happening at the very beginning. Um, and we'll pick our direction from there. Even though this whole thing right now really makes me believe that that may be the case, but it's still early in the day. Let's see what price be doing. I'll put this for 1 minute just to see. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is as I wait over here right now, I'm gonna play some music. If anything, this is what we may be looking at. So price just came back deep into our supply zone, and now I need a few candles to actually close underneath this area so that I can feel comfortable taking that sell. Let's see, the 1 minute, the 5 minute. I would like the 5 minute to be bearish. I'd like the 5 minute to be a bearish candle. See what we do after that. But as it stands right now, it seems as I may be going in for that sell, but I'm gonna wait until the 5 minute candle closes out at least. Um, no rush. In the meantime, I'm gonna put some music on and let's enjoy this.
All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California.
Okay, so this is post 9:30, currently 9:50. Price broke exactly where I wanted it to break. I haven't taken a trade yet because I wanted to wait for the first 15 minutes to be done and help us get a direction. So as of right now, it broke to the south side of the first 15 minutes, and it's currently giving me a retest, which I'm enjoying very much. So now I'm waiting for a bearish engulfing, probably either in the 1 minute or even the 5 minute, maybe we'll see. But I'm definitely in there right now, just waiting. In the meantime, I want to put some more music on.
Or maybe just a little drama. I fell in the past and I'm just scared and raised. Maybe just a little broken. Or maybe I just gotta open myself. Baby, I swear, yeah, I got my vision. You just don't understand. Yeah, I put my balls down, put my guards down in the way that I just can't explain. Yeah, I got my vision. You just don't understand.
I have taken a decision right now.
And it's breaking me. There's a fact maybe I just gotta open myself. Baby, I swear, yeah, I got my reason. You just don't understand. Yeah, I put my balls down, put my cards down in a way that I just can't explain. Yeah, I got my reason. You just don't understand. And it's breaking me, it's affecting me in the way that I just can't explain. Yeah, I got my reason. Yeah, I got my reason. Yeah, I got my reason. Yeah, I got my reasons.
Okay, so here we are at the end of the day. Explain what happened. So I entered here. I wanted to do it on trading views. You guys could see it, but for some reason, my broker wasn't connected, so I ended up having to get on my phone so I could do it quickly. So I entered here, and this here is my 2 to 1. Usually, mostly what I aim for. At least where I want to take a partial. I want to take a partial anywhere between the 1 and 2 to 1 ratio, somewhere along those lines. When it was making it to 2, I wanted to take a partial much closer. I ended up taking it not where I wanted because again, I was doing it through my phone and I made a mistake. Instead of making it a limit order, I just put a markup order to sell it, which is fine. But then when it reached my 2 to 1, I was a little fed up because of what happened here. So I decided to just close the whole thing and not expose myself to unnecessary risk. So it was almost a 2 to 1, like 1.78, somewhat almost lines. And you know, after that I left while I was editing the video and everything and saw what happened afterwards. And yeah, definitely very happy about my decisions today. So yeah, that is the trading day for the 16th of April, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in. Good one.